Okay, so this is all about titrations and neutralization reactions. Um, so this one, why do we carry out the rough one? The reason we do that is in order to gain an idea, a rough idea of how much acid to add. So the second time we do it, we add just that amount of acid. How do we work out the volume added? Well, this is our final volume, and this is our initial volume. So work out the difference between these two, and that's the amount added, which is option B. How to do the rough titration. So we take a reading on the burette of the initial volume. We then open the tap on the burette to allow the acid to be added to the conical flask. And as we do that, we constantly swirl the mixture. We stop adding the acid once the indicator has changed colour. That's the end point has been reached. And then we read the final volume on the burette. And the difference between that one and this one is our volume required. The indicator in the list is methyl orange. This is also an indicator, but if you remember, this one is not good for titrations because it has too many different colours and it's hard to distinguish between them. And what goes on during this reaction, it's a neutralization reaction taking place. And that means we're adding an acid and alkali are reacting together and they form a salt and water. So there's one mark for each of the statements needed there.